Speaking to the media ahead of his side's home game against Lyon, Pochettino reflected on the draw in the Champions League, while stressing that his talented squad needs to get used to playing together before they can hit top form. Mauricio Pochettino says his fearsome attacking trident of Lionel Messi, Neymar and Kylian Mbappé failed to fire against Club Brugge because Paris Saint-Germain are still looking to create a team. The Ligue 1 giants have assembled a star-studded cast of individuals, but getting them to perform in harmony as a collective may prove trickier than expected. Messi was making his first start for the club against Brugge, having only taken in 24 minutes of action for his new employers on the back of a stunning summer switch from Barcelona. It's normal that it takes a bit of time for the players to build up relationships, but I'm sure that sooner rather than later we'll get to the level of performances that we need, as we have a very talented squad, Mauricio Pochettino stated. One subpar performance doesn't mean it'll happen every match. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to follow all the news from the world of football.